Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add reminders to the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the home button down below, which will appear in the left side corner of the screen down below. Tap on reminders at the top and click on the plus icon. Here you should select whether you would like it to be a reminder at a time or at a location, but first you need to type in the thing that you want to be reminded of. After that, you should select where would you like it to be announced from. Then the date should be set to. You can set it to repeat. And then select the time. And a reminder for should be also selected. When you are done with all these details, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to finalize this process of saving the reminder. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.